Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Latoya, and in today's video we're going to be creating custom wrappers for the Sour Patch Kids candy box. This is for the 3.5 ounce box of candy, and you can find them at Walmart and also at the Dollar Tree. We're going to be working over on Canva, so make sure you watch the video to the end if you want to learn how to create custom wrappers for these candy boxes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com. Head on over to create a design. You want to select custom size. You want to make sure it's in inches. And you want to put in 8.5 by 11. This is a standard size sheet of paper. And select create a new design. Once your blank page pulls up, we can start creating our template. Head on over to Elements. Select your shape. Alright, so at this point in the video, I'm going to be using the pre-made version of this template that I created. It's the same template I just showed you how to create. I just have set everything up for you already, and it's ready for you to go in and start creating your design. And if you're interested in a pre-made version of the template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. I have provided a birthday nutrition facts label for you. If you would like to create your own custom nutrition facts label, you can find the link to that template in the description box down below. This is going to be the back side of your box. You can click the box here, go over to your color tab, and you can change the color if you like. The same way with your side edge. And this is going to be the front of your box. I have also provided a free Sour Patch Kids logo if you want to use it. If you don't want to use it, you can simply click on it and delete it. You can change the color by selecting that section, heading over to your color tab, and we can change the color. You can go up here, and if you have the code for a custom color, you can put it in here. You already have some pre-text already in the design that you can just click on and start typing in your own custom text. You can change the font by selecting here. And you can select any of Canva's free fonts. You don't want to select the fonts that have a little crown on side of it, because if you don't have the pro version, Canva will prompt you to pay for those fonts before you can download your design. So make sure if you only have the free version of Canva, you're only selecting the free fonts and images from Canva. If you wanted to add additional text, you will head on over to your text tab, select these options to add additional text. You can go over to your Uploads tab and upload all of the images and clip art you want to use in your design. Alright guys, I'm about to quickly create a design. I'm going to print and I'm going to assemble. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. I have already created the template for you and set everything up. That way you can just go in and start creating your designs. You can also find the links to the materials that I use in the description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. And I'm currently working on a lot of requested templates and things you all have asked for to see on the channel. So if you have any ideas or you would like to see me create a particular template, drop me a comment down below. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.